Do you think the camera's on?
Definitely not.
Is the camera rolling? Okay.
I'm Paul, I'm 30, I'm a draftsperson. Oh,
No,
say it?
no, I was going first.
Oh, we'll go with you first.
Yeah,
okay, go. Yeah, sure.
I'm Edmund, I'm 30 years old. I work in marketing, and the guy next to me isn't just my stunt double, he's also my brother.
I'm Paul, I'm 30, I'm a draftsperson, and we built with Home Buy Centre.
Before we built, we were living with Mum. It was a really small space. We were sharing a room. We were pretty much living on top of each other. We got used to it, but I mean, he snores a lot.
We decided we wanted to build together. I reckon it was the end of 2018, start of 2019. It was a lot more difficult to look at moving out with moving into an existing or rental. This was the best option. It was a no-brainer to get ourselves into the market.
Affordability is probably the biggest thing. Mortgages can be quite daunting. The ability to halve not just the mortgage, but then all the other costs associated with it made it really easy to build.
Splitting the costs and being able to still have a social life, that was probably one of the biggest factors in us building together. We can still buy clothes, go out for dinners, go on holidays if we do want to. What made us want to build with Home Buy Centre was their build quality. I've worked for multiple builders and I saw the product that home buyers had. Home Buy Centre was just so much better.
Favourite part of the home? I mean, you would love your bedroom because that's your kingdom.
Yeah, that's my throne.
No,
it's really good because I've got my own area at the back of the house with my bedroom, the main bathroom and the toilet. And then you've got your ensuite with walk-in robe.
Having that separate space is just really good. Also having enough space to entertain, but then also areas where if Paul needs to have an early night or he needs to switch off, there's places around the house that allows him to do that. We would definitely recommend other siblings to do the same as what we did. It's a no-brainer really, it's such a big commitment, so to make a big commitment with someone that you're connected to, it's definitely something that I would highly recommend to anyone that's looking to get their foot in the door in the housing market. The entire process was just so easy. I would actually do it again with Home Buy Centre if I am building my next home.
It's the process, it's the build quality, it's Home Buy Centre, it's fantastic.